Welcome everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terra Fashionable, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look, very quick and easy, like easy 1 2 3, yes. So here, well, let us jump right into it. And today's video was sponsored by Tinashe, and in the packaging I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. Here we have Shauna. She is a 16-inch natural black deep wave 5x5 closure bob wig with a density of 180, and her lace is a HD Swiss lace. And if you're not a closure type of person and you're about that frontal life, she's also available in 13x4. She came pre-plucked, and inside you have 3 wig combs, elastic band for that extra security, and adjustable straps. I went ahead and I bleached the knots, and I also applied my foundation to the closure. This video is going to be a glueless installment that was requested by the company, so no glue, no hairspray, just a quick fix. Now look at this. This is very much fucking point. I love this. No, the lace here, the lace here going with things. Like honestly, look at this. It is so thin and matches my skin. Like this is the shit. No. I love this lace. No, these are the best HD lace. I literally love this. Wow. What wig? Yeah, what lace? Like, look at this. Look at the edges. It blends so perfectly. Watch there. And girl, not do nothing. This is awesome. No, I'm not lie. Nah lie. What lace? Huh? What lace? What are you talking about? This is all mine. So I was going to do it with a stocking cap on, but because the lace is so thin, I didn't like that the double stitch part of the stocking that was peeking through, so I just removed it. Showing you the 5-inch parting space, and I will be styling her with a side part. And after I give her a side part, I'm gonna be parting out the baby hair, cutting it down to baby stage, then mold her with some mousse. Using the tweezer to do a little tweaking at the front, nothing major. And my remedy that I use to style her is some water, conditioner, hair lotion, and some oil. That is it. No, she wanna mom when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. She been loving a rider. Just that roll myself a tay and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner. Like the Lord help me. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world? And at the top, I use some Ibn Tamer stick to stick down the flyaways. Living in the middle, this shit my job in my head.
we are done, like outside. With China, she is low commitment, like no pressing, no curling, none of that. Her quality, it is very full, like thickness, thickums, yes. And not to mention, she is very soft, and I'm talking about the hair is soft, the lace is soft. I really love her, and if you purchase her, you won't regret it because she's worth it. So if you are interested in her, I will link the information down below. It will be a direct link. Anyway guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.